place where the sun don't shine and the rain don't sleep. Where the freaks run free from the drugs they take till they R.I.P. From the land by the sea where the grass is green and the sound stay deep. Pumping smells like Teen Spirit 253 till I die. I'm from a cloudy place where the sun don't shine and the rain don't sleep. Where the freaks run free from the drugs they take till they R.I.P. From the land by the sea where the grass is green and the sound stay deep. Pumping smells like Teen Spirit 253 till I die. What you do if you got a second chance of life? Make a change, live the same but just pay the fucking price. Roll the dice again, same night, different friends, long nights of being blacked out, dreaming of a blacked out Benz, all black rims, black clothes, they covering, black tattoos, still recovering from the devil's sins that I keep stumbling on and on like I'm stuttering. I'm shooting for the stars while my brother be shooting up in an alley. I'm sitting backstage getting fucked up, just living for the moment when my fans scream my lyrics in the spotlight. 808 thongs give me